Hey guys! I told y'all I'm dropping videos back to back this week. Okay, like we gonna get some videos popping this week. So today is gonna be another just eyeshadow day, and this one's gonna be a voiceover because I want to listen to music, and I'm tired of YouTube flagging me for the music playing in the background. So I'm gonna do a voiceover. Today we're gonna be working from the Juvia palette. I really want to use this color. Look how pretty it is. And probably a little bit of these two colors are mostly what I'm gonna use today. I want to play in color today. I don't usually play in color, so why not today? I am going to an event tonight. In the Bay Area, so I just, want to try something new. So yeah, this will be a voiceover. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys when we're done with this tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna start with primer. Even though I use concealer already on my lids, because I'm using bold colors, I need to put an actual eyeshadow primer on my eye. Now I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna take Burkina as my transition color and just sit it in the inside of my crease very lightly. Now I'm going to take Zulu and I'm going to put it on top. Oh, can you guess what song I came on, y'all? Y'all should know what song came on. And you know I'm jamming because it's my jam. Work it, girl. Okay, let me get back to work. So I take Zulu and I put it right on top of Burkina in the crease. Just to add a little brown and a little hint of color to my eye. So now I'm just going to move a little closer to the camera so that you can see how I'm blending out Zulu and Burkina. Now I'm going to take Otta and I'm just going to place that on the outer V to help fade those colors a little more and add a little more depth to it. And just kind of blend them out. Nothing major. Blend, baby, blend. Blend, baby, blend. I want to keep this on the outer part for a reason. The way that the eye look comes out, you can really see this, but you have to do placement the right way in order for it to work the way that you want it to work. So the way I did this was super, super perfect. Next, we're going to go into the blue, which is Dahlia. And it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be when I first put it on my eye. And I tried to blend it out. I'm going to do the halo eye. And of course, I started on the outer part, as I always do. And now I'm going to put it in the inside. I'm going to just do a little bit. So right here, I'm just blending out that blue into the crease some. So I intensified the blue. You know, I had to add some water to it and do a couple layers. And now I have it to the intensity that I like. So just adding it some. Oops, my lips was dry. I needed to add some Vaseline, y'all. I hate when my lips be dry. They was crusty. So next I'm going to take that green Maui. And I'm going to sit it in the center between the two blues. And of course it wasn't as pigmented as I want it to be. Y'all know how I am. So we're going to dig in it, baby. And we're going to spray it, of course. You know I love spraying things to intensify stuff. And just sit it in the middle of those two blues. Yes, honey, yes. Look at that color. You did that, girl. I look so angry. So next I'm going to do the next eye. I kind of wanted this look to be like a peacock type of eye, and that's exactly how it came out. So I'm pretty excited. Next, I'm gonna go back in with Birkin and Zulu just to blend it in with the blue in the crease, so that you have those fade colors as if they were a peacock. Okay, this is how the eye came out, the final look. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go finish my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. This is the look. My top is from Fashion Nova. Use my promo code Nianico. Cute little bun situation with a braid. My mom did the braid for me. You know, I hooked up the bun. You know, I had to keep the nude lip because this eye is just so bold. And I usually shy away from color. Anyways, why I don't know. And I'm about to go have a girl's night with my girl. About to go have some fun. I needed y'all. But anyways, if you like this, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you like it too. And I will see you guys in my next video.